Hey friends, it's Manish here, your success partner. Today, I'm going to share one very inspiring story based on the life of James Stockdale, which teaches us how to survive challenging, uncertain times. James Stockdale was US Navy Vice Admiral and aviator awarded Medal of Honor in the Vietnam War. He was the prisoner of war for 7.5 years, where he went through extreme physical and mental tortures. His shoulders were dislocated, his legs were broken, his back was shattered. Despite all of this, he was the source of inspiration for his fellow prisoners. He was promised better treatment only if he agrees to acknowledge certain sensitive things which he refused. He was kept in dark room in isolation for 4+ years. He was kept with his legs tied for 2 years. When he was released, he penned down his experiences, and I like to share certain things from his experiences which I think is very important for us to adopt in this pandemic scenario. Stockdale was the follower of Epictetus, a Greek philosopher. He learned from Epictetus that sometimes in your life you are not in control of events, but you have free will to choose your response, and that defines you. That defines your happiness. Stockdale acknowledged that he was able to go through that extremely tough period mainly because of the teachings of Epictetus. A reminder for all of us that especially during the tough times, we need to be watchful of our company. We need to have company of empowering masters, empowering thoughts that guides us through those challenging times and scenarios. Stockdale mentioned that he had unshakable faith that he will prevail in the end. He went through extreme tortures having that unshakable faith in his mind. He also mentioned that most of the people who suffered were the ones who thought it will be over soon. They thought they will be released next month, next Christmas. And when it didn't happen, they broke down. Again, an important lesson for all of us that we need to have optimism in our approach, but at the same time need to have patience. Certain things takes time. Absolute faith keeps us moving through long time. Stockdale life became an inspiring case study on how to survive challenging, uncertain times and is widely referred to today. Friends, we are in the Stockdale movement. It's very painful to see people suffering around us. It's very painful. But let's go through this pain and have an absolute faith that we will prevail in the end. Nature wants us to teach something, and let's have that faith that we will prevail in the end. It's dark out there right now, but sun will shine. It will surely shine. Let's have that faith and let's keep moving forward. Let's keep moving forward. It's your true friend and success partner, Manish. Thank you.